Can we play the split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to answer a common question that if you can split the screen on Fortnite using a Nintendo Switch. So if you are playing on consoles like Xbox or PlayStation, you can easily set up split screen mode by connecting two controllers. The main menu lets you invite the second player to join with their own account and controller. But unfortunately, on the Nintendo Switch, split screen is not possible. Due to the hardware and the software limitation, even if you connect two controllers and try to start a match, the option just won't appear. So for now, if you want to play on the split screen, you might have to use Xbox or PlayStation. However, the Nintendo Switch, you might have to wait until the update is available. So the purpose of this video is to clear up any confusion. You cannot use split screen mode for the Fortnite. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.